Welcome to Anna Solution Zone. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to bypass iCloud activation lock from all the Mac models having the Apple Intel T2 chipset. That is mainly from 2018 to 2020. You can also check out the screen to know the list of all Mac models that are supported for iCloud bypass. Currently, this tool can bypass the latest BridgeOS version 10.5. So, at the moment, you can restore the locked Mac directly from the Apple configurator. If you are watching this video after a week or months, then please make sure to check out which version of BridgeOS is supported for the bypass before doing the restore directly from the Apple configurator. It is because there might be released new BridgeOS, which might or might not be supported for the bypass. You can contact me on WhatsApp or Telegram for the verification. Also, you should have one working MacBook in order to do this bypass. If you have only Windows PC, then you can also bypass your locked Mac by using FRP file Windows tool. I will drop that video tutorial link in the description or comment section. Please check it out. So now, let's start. At first, download and install Apple Configurator from the App Store on the working Mac. Now, connect the locked Mac with the host Mac by using Type-C to Type-C cable. Also, make sure that the cable is connected to the correct port on locked Mac. You can check out the screen to know the correct port to connect the cable for the different Mac models. After connecting the cable, force shut down the locked MacBook by pressing the power button for 3 to 5 seconds, and then boot the Mac into the DFU mode. The steps to boot the Mac into the DFU mode is different for different Mac models. For MacBook Pro and MacBook Air, press and hold left control, left option, right shift, and power button at the same time until you see DFU screen in the Apple configurator. You can also check out the screen to know the DFU steps for other Mac models. So now, let's boot the locked Mac into the DFU mode. If you failed to boot the Mac into the DFU mode at first try, then simply repeat the same steps on exact timing. You will definitely get success. Now, right-click on DFU screen, and then click on Restore. Again, click on Restore. Here, you can see that the restore process has been completed. So now, let's download the bypass tool, along with other necessary files. For that, open any browser, and then go to annasolutionzone.com website. Click on Services. Search for OTIX MacBook Premium Bypass Service. Click on OTIX T2 Activator PRO MacBook iCloud Bypass. Click on Read Description. Scroll down a little bit, and download the OTIX T2 Activator PRO Bypass tool. Again, go back to the same Anna Solution Zone website. Scroll a little bit, and then download the OTIX DMG file. You can download any one DMG file from here. In my case, I'm going to download macOS Monterey. Again, go back to the same Anna Solution Zone website. Scroll down a little bit, and then download Balena Etcher. For Intel Mac models, download from x64. For M-series Mac models, download from ARM64. So now, the next step is to make the bootable USB for macOS installer. For that, take a USB drive having at least 16 GB storage, and then connect it on the working Mac. After that, open the Spotlight search. Search for Disk Utility and open it. Go to View and then click on Show All Devices. Select the external drive, and then click on Erase. Put the name as USB. select the format as macOS Extended Journal, and select the scheme as Apple Partition Map. Then after, click on Erase. Now, quit the disk utility, and then install Balena Etcher. For that, open the Finder, go to Downloads. Double-click on Balena Etcher DMG file. Drag and drop the Balena Etcher in the Application folder. Now, open the Balena Etcher application. Click on Flash from File. Go to Downloads and then select the recently downloaded OTIX DMG file. Click on Open. Click on Select Target. Select the external drive, and click on Select. Click on Flash. Enter the Mac password, and then click on OK. Here, the flashing has been completed. Now, unplug the USB drive, and then install the OTIX bypass tool. For that, open the Finder, go to Downloads. Double-click on OTIX T2 Activator PRO PKG file. Click on Done, and open Settings. Click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down up to the bottom, and then click on Open Anyway. Again, click on Open Anyway. Enter your Mac password, and proceed for installation. Now, open OTIX T2 Activator PRO from the application. Click on Done, and open the Finder. Click on Application. Search for OTIX T2 Activator PRO. Right-click on it, and then click on Get Info. Tick on Override Malware Protection. Click on Allow Anyway. Enter your Mac password, and then click on OK. Now, open OTIX T2 Activator PRO application. So now, boot the locked Mac into the DFU mode. Copy the ECID number, and then send it to me on WhatsApp or Telegram for registration and price details. You can also directly register it from the ANA Solution Zone website. For that, open any browser and go to the ANA Solution Zone website. Click on Services. Search for OTIX MacBook Premium Service. Click on OTIX T2 Activator PRO MacBook Bypass Service. Here, you can directly contact to the website admin through WhatsApp or Telegram for the registration. Also, you can create a new account from the Sign Up section. In my case, I'm going to choose the Login option. Click on Buy Now. Paste the recently copied ECID in the ECID section. You can also enter the discount promo code and instantly get 5 to 15% discounts. The discount promo code is ANNA629. Now, choose the suitable payment option. If you do not have automatic payment option, then simply contact me on WhatsApp or Telegram to make the manual payments through other channels. In my case, I've already added balance on my account wallet, so I'm going to choose the wallet payment option. After that, click on Place Order. Click on Check Order Status. Click on View. You will receive an email once the order gets completed. So now, open the OTIX T2 Activator PRO application. Again, boot the locked Mac into the DFU mode. The tool will automatically run the process as soon as it detects the Mac in DFU mode. Now, click on Activate, and wait for the successful bypass pop-up message. Now, the next step is to install the macOS from the bootable USB drive, which we have recently created. For that, let's move to the locked Mac. Plug the recently flashed bootable USB drive. Now, press and hold the Option key until you see the boot option. Click on macOS Base System. Select the disk utility, and then click on Continue. Select the Apple SSD at the top, and then erase it. Now, quit the disk utility. Go to the Wi-Fi and connect to Internet. After that, select Reinstall macOS, and then click on Continue. Again, click on Continue. Click on Agree. Again, click on Agree. Select the disk, and then click on Continue. It might take a bit longer time to complete this macOS installation process, so have patience and wait for the setup screen. Now, set up the Mac just like new device. Boom! Here, you can see that this Mac has been successfully bypassed. Now, you can unplug the USB drive and restart the Mac. Enter the Mac password. So now, you can update the Mac to the latest macOS version. For that, open the settings. Click on Software Update. Click on Upgrade now. Click on Agree. As soon as the download gets completed, the Mac will restart automatically. Enter the Mac password. Now, set up the Mac. Here, we have successfully installed the macOS Tahoe after the bypass. So now, disable all the automatic updates. For that, open the settings. Go to General. Click on Software Update. Click on I icon besides the automatic updates. Here, disable all the automatic updates. Now, it's all done. This is a fully untethered bypass, where you can force shut down the Mac without any issues. Please, do not update or reset the Mac afterwards. Otherwise, it might be locked again. In this way, you can bypass all the Mac models having the Apple Intel T2 chipset. If you faced any issues during the bypass process, then simply message me on WhatsApp or Telegram. I will try my best to solve your issues. Also, if you find this video helpful, then please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.